Yeah, good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. Can I have some inspiring moments with you? Yes. Thank you. Please take your seat. In place of our tax ceremony, I came here to personally visit you and to inspire you. Okay? Okay. As I told you every month, I will be very visible and audible with you during the flag ceremony. But since we don't have a flag ceremony because of the bad weather, you know, and I'm here personally. Last August, I talked about Saint Dominic de Guzman as the preacher of truth. Okay? So as Dominicans, as students of UST Legazpi, you are also Dominicans. Okay? We train you. And as Dominicans, we have always to be preachers of truth. Okay? Tayo dapat maging tagapahayag ng katotohanan. Hindi ng kasinungalingan, ng kabaluktutan, katiwalian, corruption, whatever. We have to be preachers of truth because truth will set us free. That was last August. This September, I'm going to talk about Mary. Last September 8, we have celebrated the birth of Mary. That's last September 13, we have celebrated the holy name of Mary. And yesterday, September 15, we celebrated the 7 sorrows of Mary. But I will not talk about those things. But I want to talk to you in relation with us as your students, you know, and as a teacher of life. I'm a teacher of life. I'm not a teacher of English or a teacher of mathematics, but I'm a teacher of life. I want people to live well. That's why I'm here. Okay? Mary as our teacher. Mary has a unique role that only the mother of Jesus. Yes, we know Mary is the mother of Jesus. When the angel Gabriel at the Annunciation told her, okay, you will be the mother of God and you will name your son Jesus. No? But not only a mother of Jesus, but she is an intimate teacher of Jesus. Okay? Siya ay guro ni Jesus. And you may ask me, Father Butch, ano kaya ang itinuro ni Mama Mary o ni Mary kay Jesus? Okay? That is in the Bible. Okay? Mary, after having found Jesus in the temple, anong ginawa? They went back to Nazareth and then Jesus learned many things from Mary. And one of the best lessons that Mary taught Jesus is humility. The lesson of humility. Magpakumbaba. Why? Kailangan bang turuan si Jesus? Jesus is God. He is the source of wisdom and knowledge and everything. Kailangan bang turuan pa siya? What's your answer? Of course, as God, hindi na. But Jesus became man like us. And as humans, question, do we need to be taught? Do we need to be instructed? Yes. Just like say, sabi nga, our mind is just a tabula rasa, nothing here. But how do we learn? By the teacher, okay, writing on this, writing in our mind. What's that? That's one of the belief. But you know, we learn through humility. Okay, if this blackboard is so arrogant and pride, then one does not want to magkapagsuot ako dito. Can I write on this blackboard? Ha? Ha? Ang tapang nito at ang yabang ng blackboard nito at pag every time na don't write on my board. But can I write something on the blackboard? Yes or no? No! Bakit? Ayaw niya sulatan eh. At paano siya matututo? Paano tayo natuto? When we try to be humble, to accept that I don't know. Tama? Be humble. Alam mo, yung taong mapakumbaba lamang ang natututo. Ang mga taong mayabang, tulad ni King Herod, hindi sila natuto. Even the scribes and the Pharisees, ang yabang, hindi sila natuto. So, in order to learn, we must be humble. Humble enough to accept that I don't know, I may know, but I know a little only. If you have that attitude of I know everything, will you be able to know? No. Ang yabang mo eh. How did we learn? From kindergarten up to grade 11, grade 11. By opening your mind. And how do you open your mind? Being humble enough that, yes, I may know a little, but I want to know more. Okay? Learn to be humble. That is the basic lesson Mary taught Jesus. Although he was God, and Mary was humble enough too. And that's why nakuha ni Jesus ang humility, because his mother was humble to accept who she was. When the angel Gabriel approached Mary and said that you will be the mother of God, after the dialogue, the encounter, ano sabi ni Mary? I am the handmaid of the Lord. Ano ibig sabihin? Ako isang alipin. I know myself. Ako alipin. Hindi ako bossing. Hindi ako first lady. Ano? I know myself. I am the handmaid of the Lord. I do not know everything. I need to know more. But how can I know more? By being humble. And he said, let it be done to me according to your word. And that's why the word, matututo ba tayo pag walang word? Hindi. Natuto si Jesus because Mary taught the word. Jesus, yes, He is God. Hindi kinakailangan turuan. But Jesus became like us. Naging tao siya. And ang tunay na tao, human as we are humus. You know what humus is? Humus means soil. Lupa. Kaya sabi nga, nagmula sa lupa, babalik sa lupa. Lahat tayo na isilang dito, pero pag namatay tayo, babalik tayo sa lupa. So, that is one. Lesson of humility. Number 2 lesson that Mary taught Jesus. Mary taught Jesus, listen. And when you listen, it's not simply listen by ears, but listen with the heart. And that's why Mary kept listening to God. How? When she kept on saying, Mary did not know everything. Hindi niya alam lahat yan. But she treasured everything in her heart. Sa kanyang puso. Kaya doon, makikita natin. So, learn from the heart. See, that was the lesson Mary taught Jesus. Listen by the heart, not listen with your ears. We are taught to listen with our ears. No. Listen with your heart. Because if you do not listen with your heart, magiging ang tao walang damdaming mani. Am I right? That's why listen with the heart. Okay? Naliwanag? So, 2 lessons. The lesson of what? Humility. And the lesson of listening from the heart. And that, napakaganda. Kaya nga, nakita natin kung paano lumaki si Jesus. Okay? Paano lumaki si Jesus? Bakit? Natuto siya kay Mama Mary. And that's why, to conclude, allow our Blessed Mother to teach you also, as He taught Jesus when Jesus was here on earth. So, thank you for listening. Ma'am, thank you very much for every one of you. Thank you very much. wherein we're going to talk about prayer. Okay? Keep praying. Thank you.